5 ways to increase your step count in everyday life without spending more time on the treadmill. 1. Find a parking spot that's far away from the entrance. Those parking spots are always available because they're so unpopular. Not only will it save you the frustration from finding a free parking spot, it will keep your car safe from dings and get you extra steps in your day. That's a win-win-win. 2. Take the stairs. Hey, people go to the gym just to go on the Stairmasters, so if you see stairs, take them. 3. Walk when you talk. Scheduled meetings or even just a friendly phone call with a friend, those can typically last pretty long. Walk around the house as you're talking, or even better, go outdoors and go for a little walk if the meeting is not that important. 4. Skip the online shopping and go get it yourself. The traditional way of shopping could be better if you're looking to get some extra steps in your day. It's just so easy these days to get things delivered to your door. Spend a day, go out there, you don't have to buy anything, you could even window shop, but the fact that you're moving is really good. 5. Make everything less convenient. Example, whenever you're watching TV, leave the remote control far away from you so you have to get up, take a few steps every time you want to change the channel. Always use the furthest bathroom, whether it's in your house or at the office. Leave your car at home for a week, take public transportation or walk. If it's too easy, too close, challenge yourself. I hope this helps. Let's get a lot of steps this week. Totally got this.